How to fix Spotify download failed. If you're not being able to download any music or podcast from Spotify, the first thing that you need to ensure in this case is if you have an active premium subscription of Spotify. So if you currently don't have an active premium subscription, you won't be able to download any sort of music from Spotify. Secondly, what you'll also need to ensure is that you have at least 1 GB of free storage on your phone to be able to download any sort of music or audio from Spotify. Now, if these are not the issues with you, what you can try out is try to look for new updates available for Spotify. So head over to the Play Store, search for Spotify, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Apart from this, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of Spotify by tapping and holding this application and then tap on this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option right here. Once you complete this step, make sure to clear out Spotify from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can lastly try out is try to uninstall the Spotify app from your device and then again re-download it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify download failed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.